Okay, so now we're going to be looking at packets and routing. Okay, so let's get started without any further ado. We got a lot to get through. Protocol. What is protocol? Protocol in computer science are a set of rules and procedures for transmitting data between electronic devices such as computers. Router. A router is a device that connects two or more packet switch devices or subnetworks, so it connects your phone, laptop, all the devices in your house is connected through a router which is connected to the internet, NBN, etc. Now TCP. TCP is an abbreviation for Transmission Control Protocol, a communication standard that allows standard programmers to compute device and exchange messages across a network. Now port. A port is a virtual point where network connections are begin and stop. Ports are software based and controlled by the operating system of a computer. Each port corresponds to a certain activity or service. Now we have header. A header is a text that appears on top of a page, whereas a footer is a text that appears at the bottom of the page. These areas are typically used to store document information like the document's name. Now we have packet. Packet is a data that travels between two places on the internet or other packet switch devices. Then we have fault tolerance. Fault tolerance is a feature of operating system that allows them to respond to hardware or software failures. The ability of a system to continue operating in the face of faults or malfunctions is referred to as fault tolerance. Now we have scalable. Scalability is the ability of a system to modify its performance and cost in response to changes in application and system processing demands. Now finally we have payload. What does payload mean? Payload is a type of virus. In computing, a payload is a type of amount or data that has military roots and can execute malicious programming capacity on its own to cause harm to you, your friends, and everyone around you. So guys, that's it for packets and routing. I'll catch you in the web browsing video.